In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profit and loss statement, or PNL, in Zoho Books. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. This is usually the home screen you see right after signing in, where you can view your overall business summary. From here, we're going to navigate to the section where Zoho stores all your financial reports. Look towards the left-hand side or the top menu, depending on your layout, and find the option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports. This area is basically your reporting hub. It includes different kinds of financial statements like balance sheets, cash flow statements, and of course, the profit and loss report that we're focusing on today. Once you're in the report section, scroll until you see the profit and loss report. It might also be listed under a category like Business Overview or Financial Statements. Click on Profit and Loss. Zoho will now open up a default version of your P&L, usually based on a standard date range such as the current financial year or the last month. Next, we want to set the correct period for your report. At the top of the profit and loss page, look for the date range field. Click on it and you'll see options like this month, last month, this year, previous year, or custom dates. Choose the date range that matches the period you want to analyze, or set your own start and end dates. This step is important because your P&L is only as useful as the period it's covering. Now, find the option called Report Basis. Click on it to choose whether you want the report on an accrual basis or a cash basis, depending on your accounting method. Accrual basis recognizes income and expenses when they're invoiced or billed, while cash basis recognizes them when money actually changes hands. Select the basis that matches how your books are maintained so the report aligns with your accounting policies. You'll also see an option for more filters. Click on this to refine your report further. Here, you can typically filter by things like customer, project, or other dimensions that your organization uses. Use these filters if you want a more focused view, for example, the profitability of a particular branch or project. Once your date range, report basis, and filters are set, look for the Run Report button and click it. Zoho Books will now generate your profit and loss statement based on the settings you chose, giving you a clear view of your income, expenses, and overall profit or loss for that period.